In this video, we are going to show how we cook hard-boiled quail eggs, which are easy to peel every time. We have here 30 quail eggs. Wash the eggs and put them into a pot of room temperature water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. We can now start to boil. For even cooking, we have to gently move the eggs in the pot every now and then. Do this slowly so that we do not crack the shell. Start the timer when the water comes to a boil. For quail eggs, we will let it boil for 3 minutes. If you are cooking normal eggs, the duration will depend on the size of the eggs, from 6 to 8 minutes. After 3 minutes, transfer the eggs into a big bowl of tap water to stop the cooking process. Change the water once. We can easily peel the eggs when they are cold, say after 10 minutes. The eggs are good on their own, or you can add them to another dish. We like to have them with sambal chilli. If you are keen to try out the sambal chilli recipe, please watch my other video by clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.